Good morning, children. In the previous class, I explained the lesson, The Three Butterflies. It's a small story about three butterflies. These three butterflies are very good friends. You know that, right, children? So that by the end of the lesson, we come to know that the unity is strength. So, how the butterflies stayed together if they faced some problems in the nature, but they didn't went away from one another. They live together always. Like that, one day rain comes. Three butterflies want shelter from the rain, so they asked some flowers, rose and sunflower, but they rejected to give shelter for all the butterflies. But butterflies are not ready to leave their friends, so that they said, "We will stay together, we will stay wet rather than the desert them." So then each and everything absorbed by the sun, which is hiding behind the cloud, and he heard everything, and he was very happy to see butterflies united. It means the unity of that butterflies. His son is very happy for the unity in that butterflies, and then he decided to help the butterflies, like he chased the clouds and the rain away. He wanted to stop the rain, and he sent his sun rays to the garden. So he beamed down on the garden. Beamed means it gives sunshine, brightly sunshines. So he beamed down on the garden and dried the butterflies' wings quickly, and then all the three butterflies are very happy to play and dance in the garden as usual for the rest of the day. It means whatever the problems comes to that butterflies, but they never felt to leave their friends, so that it shows unity is strength. Always they live together because they are very good friends. By the end of the story, we come to know the moral: unity is strength. So you also applied this moral in your life, children. Let us come to the textbook activities of the same. Page number 3. First main, choose the right words from the words given below and complete the following sentences. Here are some words they given in the bracket, children. I will read the words first. Look at the words carefully. Keep a pencil and then look at the words. Sleep, united. 2, clouds. 3, other 2, yellow butterfly, tree, and dance. So which is the suitable word for completing the following sentences? We have to choose that word and then complete the blanks. Okay, first one. There are dash butterflies in the garden. How many butterflies are there in the story, children? There are, yes, 3 butterflies in the story. You have to write that word in the blank, children. Okay, there are 3 butterflies in the story. Shall we move on to the next page, page number 4. Second, fill in the blank. The rose agreed shelter the pink butterfly. The rose agreed to shelter the pink butterfly, but not the, yes, what's the answer? Not the other 2. Not the other. Next one. The sun was hiding behind the dash. Where was the sun hid, children? The sun was hiding behind the cloud. Yes. Write down the word cloud. Next one. The sun was happy to see the butterflies dash. The sun was happy to see the butterflies united. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ their unity. So the answer is butterflies united. Write down the word. Write down that word, children. United. Next, fifth one. The butterflies could dash as usual for the rest of the day. After the sun beamed down on the garden, what happened? Soonly butterflies' wings are dried up. So later butterflies could play and dance as usual for the rest of the day. But which is the suitable answer they given in the bracket in the back page? Look at here. They didn't give play here, but they given dance. So we have to write the answer dance in the fifth fill in the blank. Okay, write down, children. Next main, pick and write the words from the lesson that mean the same as the underlined word in the sentences given below. What it means, children? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ so that we may be protected from the rain. Here be protected is the underlined word. Instead of be protected, which word they given in the textbook? Look at in the page 2, children. Good, Rose. Please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain. To be protected, it means, or the similar meaning for that word is shelter. Like that. Next one. I will stay wet rather than leave them. Instead of leave, what they given in the textbook? I will stay wet rather than desert them. Similar meaning of the word leave is desert. Write it down, children. Next, the sun was so happy. The sun was so happy to see the butterflies together. Together, similar meaning for together. The sun was so happy to see. Look at here. Sun was happy to see the butterflies so united. Instead of together, what we have to write? United. United means ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Together means ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Next one. The sun quickly sent away the clouds. The sun quickly sent away the clouds. Underlined word is quickly sent away. Instead of these words, what they given in the textbook? The sun chased the clouds. Isn't it? Chased the clouds. Next, the sun shined on the garden. In the textbook or in the story, which word they given instead of shined? The sun beamed down on the garden, isn't it? Beamed down. Shined, similar meaning of shined is beamed. Beam means shine. Finished, children? Shall we move on to the next main? Yes. Match the flowers with their names by drawing a line against each. In the column A, they given some flowers. In the column B, they given their names. We have to match each flower with their names. Which is the first flower they given here, children? Which flower is it? Yes, it is rose. Shall we match it to the rose? Next, what's the second flower? Yes, it is sunflower. Shall we match it to the sunflower? Yes. Then next, look at the next one, children. What is this? Is it jasmine or tuberose? Tuberose means ಸುಗಂಧರಾಜ. ಸುಗಂಧರಾಜ ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, that is called tuberose. So this is tuberose. Match it with tuberose. Jasmine means ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೂವು. It's here. It's in the last one. Okay. What's the next one? That is hibiscus. Shall we match it with hibiscus? We all know that. Dasivala. Then this is chrysanthemum. Yes. Then this is the last picture. This flower is jasmine flower. Shall we match it with jasmine? Jasmine means mallige hoovu. Next, shall we move on to the next main, children? Circle the right picture. Here, in each and every line, they given one of the insect name along with 3 pictures. We have to circle the correct picture. So first one, mosquito. Where is mosquito in this 3 picture, children? Yes, here is mosquito. Like that, we have to circle the correct picture. Next one, butterfly. Where is butterfly here? Yes, this is butterfly. What are the rest of that? Yes, it is mosquito. And what is this? That is honeybee. Okay, like that. What is this? This is housefly and this is cockroach. Yes, next. Wow, we have cockroach here. So what is this? Yes, it is mosquito. Then this is cockroach. Then it's dragonfly. So which one we need to circle it here? Cockroach. Next, housefly. Where is housefly in this line, children? Yeah, it's in the last. We have to circle housefly. What are these? Rest of that? This is butterfly and this is mosquito. The next line, dragonfly. Where is dragonfly in this line? Or first one? No, it's mosquito. Second one? No, it's butterfly. Then the last one? Yes, this is dragonfly. Then the last one, honeybee. Wow, honey ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ, ಆದರೆ ಜೇನು ಹುಳ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So where is honeybee in this line? Yes, again it's also last picture. Finished, children? Yes. Similarly, next main, they given on practice language passage they given. Please read this passage twice at home and improve your reading skill, children. Next, we will move on to the next page. Underline the right word and copy the correct sentences in your notebook. Now, we have to underline the correct word to make the sentence only, because they given two action words or some verbs they given in the sentence, but which is suitable for that sentence we have to underline it. But through the PDF file I'll send you the sentences, means I'll write the correct sentences below the question. Okay, first one, the 3 butterflies plays or played in the sunshine. Which is correct in these 2, children? The 3 butterflies plays another correcta, played another correcta? Yes, the 3 butterflies played in the sunshine. Good rose, please open your petals, said the butterflies. Please opened anta kelata, please open anta kelata. Please open your petals. Then the next one, The sun beamed or beaming down on the garden. Which is the correct word in this sentence, children? That is sun beamed down on the garden. Next, I would be glad to shelter you, said or say the rose. Which is the correct word? Said the rose. Then the next one, it started raining and they got wet. It started raining or it started raining? Yes, it started raining. Already it started. It started raining. So they got wet. Okay. Next main, read the words aloud. Which are the words they given here? You have to read it aloud and very carefully about the spellings. Okay. Played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. Danced, replied, grieve. Read after me, children. Said, tried, started, flew, hid, and heard. Then, regarding these words, we have an activity below that in this main, children. All the above words indicate some action. What these words are indicates? These words indicates action. It means these are action words. Action word means verbs. We know that in the grammar, right? Write them in the correct pouches. This is for your homework, children. You have to identify the correct word. Give me the words that end with ed. Which are the words ends with ed? You have to write in this side or in the first column, and then give me the words that don't end with ed. You have to write it here. Okay, this is for your homework. Next, another 2-3 mains are there here, children. Shall we do it in the next class? Okay. Until then, you have to complete your textbook activities only in the textbook, and then do this by yourself in your textbook itself. Don't write it in any of the notebook, children. You have to write it in your textbook. Okay. Thank you.